Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. I believe you will find it very easy. There are just few steps that you have to follow. Let's start. First, download and install VirtualBox. Links will be in description and follow the following step that I am doing to install it. To download VirtualBox, click on a link in the description to download VirtualBox. You can download it for Mac Windows system, operating system, Windows operating system and Linux operating system. So you just click on the operating system you are downloading it for. I am downloading it for Windows operating system, so I will just click on it and it will start automatically. So I have it already downloaded, so I am not going to download it again. After downloading VirtualBox, the second step is to download Kali Linux. Here you can download it. If you are using 64-bit operating system, then click here to download it. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then you can download it from here. You can download it through torrent or simple links. These are the two links you can download it from. After downloading VirtualBox and Kali Linux, just click on a VirtualBox to install it. Click on next button. Just click on next, yes, install. Wait for a few minutes. Just finish it. Now click on the Kali Linux with OVA extension. Just click on it and VirtualBox will start automatically. It is already open. Just import. Click on import button. Wait for a few minutes. After this, go to setting option to do a little bit changes. General, you just leave it the same and go to system. Here is the base memory, as much as you want to give it to. I'm gonna give, here is your option to give a memory size of RAM. I am gonna give it 2 GB RAM. I have total of 12 GB RAM. It is good to give it 2, or if you want to give it more you can give it, but I'm gonna give it 2 GB RAM. Processor, you have 4 CPUs. I am giving it 1 CPU. It's enough, it's good. Now go to display, leave it the same. Storage, audio, network. Here network, just you gonna need to change this net to network. Here is your network option, name network. Sometimes you will have an error with this name, you will have it empty, this name will be not showing here. So you have to see my next video to resolve this problem. Maybe sometime you have got this problem. Now press OK. Now start it. Now is its best username. You just give it a root and enter, and the password is just a reverse of it. Toor, TOOR, enter. This is your main desktop. You can create folders, setting. I will show you how to use it in next video.